Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to customize your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So without any delay, let's get started. There are plenty of modes that you can install through Samsung Galaxy Store. You can customize every inch of this phone through this application. So watch the full video to know how to customize your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So at first, open Samsung Galaxy Store and search GoodLock application and install it. This application is the thread to customization your phone. After the installation completes, hit on open button. It will show many modes that you can install through Galaxy Store. There are plenty of customization apps in this GoodLock application. So choose the application in the list and install what you need. There you go, I installed few of them to show you. The first one in the list is Lockstar. It will help you to modify your lock screen. I will show you how to customize your lock screen. At first you need to click turn on toggle. Now you can able to customize any of the thing in the lock screen. If you want to move the clock, then drag it wherever you need. Anything that you can see in the lock screen can be customizable. The position, wallpaper, clock and even items can be customized. There you can see there are plenty of clock designs. You can select whatever you want. You can select the design and drag it wherever you want. Even you can change the notification icon also. The shortcut applications like camera, phone or anything you want to change, then this Lockstar will help you. Now you can see face widgets, help text, shortcuts and status bar you can be customized. If you click once, it will appear. If you click another time, it will disappear. The next one in the list is Quickstar. Quickstar will help you to customize your status bar. There are plenty of designs that you can apply to your status bar. You can apply your status bar color as your outfit. There is also a customized button. If you click on that, you can able to customize your own status bar. Next one in the list is Task Changer. It will help you to customize your recent task manager. There are so many modes in that. You can select different recent task manager in the list below. There are plenty of them. In the future update, they will add some of the more like that. You can able to choose stack, list, slim fit, etc. some of the modes. The next in the list is routines. Routine is like automation. If you want to turn on dark mode, light mode, night and day respectively, if you click on routine mode, it will change as per your time period. Next one in the list is Multi-Star. It will help you to quick launch of multi-window. The long live app enable multi-window to all the application, multi-window screen zoom, multi-focus, etc. The next one is Navstar. This mode is used to customize your navigation bar. If you are using full screen gesture mode, you can't use that. There are plenty of navigation styles you can try out. Next in the list is Home Up. In this application you can customize your home screen, folders, application, etc. You can change home screen grid, application screen grid, background blur control, favorite max count, loops, etc. Next one is Pentastic. This application will help you to customize your stylus. When you open the stylus, it will show the pop-up. There are plenty of pop-up windows that you can choose. There are 6 to 7 of them. You got bold with the stock, then you can change and customize as like your need. I personally like this one. This is a rounded style. And the next one is Edge Lighting Plus. There are plenty of design that you can customize your Edge lighting screen. There are glow, glitter, heart, fireworks, etc. Even you can change as per your need by customizing your own lighting. You can also customize transparency and duration as well. The next one is Sound Assistant. In this application you can change volume panel theme, floating buttons, individual media volume, control media volume, etc. Next one is One Hand Operation Plus mode. You can change full screen gesture mode according to your need. These are all the directions. If you swipe like that, it will open what you need. These are all the list to open as per your need. So that's it for the video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Oh wait, don't go out unnecessarily, wear the mask, maintain social distance. Be safe. Thank you. Bye bye.